Windows 7. Introduction. Have you ever noticed how different tasks at your home are done so well? It is because your parents manage all the work at home. In other words, they act as managers. The computer is made up of different parts and does different kinds of work at a time. It also requires a manager for it. The manager in a computer is called the operating system. Operating system is a software that helps you to operate the computer system through its various functions. It controls and manages the different parts of a computer system. It acts as an interface between the user and the computer system. There are different operating systems. Some of the popular operating systems are MS-DOS, MS Windows, Unix, Linux, Mac OS. Do you know? There were no operating systems in early computers. Operating system came in the computer field late, but they were accepted very quickly. MS Windows. Let us learn about MS Windows operating system. MS Windows is the most popular system software in the world. It is made by a company named Microsoft Corporation USA. When we switch on it into the computer's memory, this process is called booting. While your computer is booting, you see a picture of Windows flag as shown. Most of the people use MS Windows operating system in their computers because it is very easy to use. It is graphic based, so you do not have to remember all the commands as in some other operating systems. Programs are arranged in different files and folders. It has icons which help to do different things quickly. MS Windows has many flavors called versions. For example, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 10. In this chapter, we will learn about Windows 7 or inspiration at IT. William Henry Gates, Bill Gates, is the co-founder and former chairman of the Microsoft Corporation. He developed the first version of Windows operating system in 1983. Windows 7 Desktop. You see a screen when the process of booting is completed. This is the desktop. The Windows 7 desktop has 4 components: desktop background, icons, taskbar, and gadgets. Let us learn about each of these one by one. Desktop background. The background picture of Windows 7 desktop is called desktop background. You see different desktop background pictures on different computers according to their settings. Do you know? You can set the desktop background on your computer according to your choice. Icons. An icon is a small picture that is used to open a program, file, or folder. For example, see this PC icon or the recycle bin icon on the desktop. Selecting or deselecting an icon. To select an icon, follow the given steps. Step 1. Bring the mouse pointer over an icon. Step 2. Click the left mouse button once. The color of the icon changes. It means that the icon is selected. To deselect an icon, follow the given steps. Step 1. Move the mouse pointer away from the selected icon. Step 2. Click the left mouse button once. The color of the icon changes to its original color. It means that the icon is deselected. Selecting adjacent or non-adjacent icons. To select adjacent icons, click the first icon to be selected. Then, hold down the Shift key and click on the last icon to be selected. All the adjacent icons get selected. To select non-adjacent icons, click the first icon to be selected. Then, hold down the Ctrl CTRL key and click on each of the icon to be selected. All the non-adjacent icons get selected. Opening an application using icons. To open any application or program, double-click on its icon. Practical in Computer Lab. Step 1. Single click on Recycle Bin icon on the desktop to select it. Step 2. Click anywhere on the desktop away from the selected icon to deselect Recycle Bin icon. Sorting icons. Sorting the icons means arranging the icons on the desktop. To sort the icons, follow the given steps. Step 1. Right-click on any blank area of the desktop. A pop-up menu appears. Click the Sort By option. Step 2. Click the choices given in the menu to arrange the icons in that order. Click View Auto Arrange Icons. Hiding desktop icons. You can hide all the icons on the desktop. To hide the icons, follow the given steps. Step 1. Right-click on any blank area of the desktop. Click View option from the pop-up menu. Step 2. From the submenu, click the Show Desktop Icons to uncheck it. You see that all the icons...
मिर्ची आंटी नीचे वाले में है, इसके साथ वाले में, इसके साथ वाले में, हाँ इसमें है डब्बे हैं, ब्राउन कलर का ढक्कन है ना, भूरे रंग का, बीच में से ही है, बीच में है आंटी, बीच में ही है, हाँ शायद, हाँ.
On desktop become invisible. You can bring back all the desktop icons by again clicking the Show Desktop Icons option in the pop-up menu of View option. Practical in Computer Lab. Arrange icons on your desktop in different ways such as name, size, item type, and date modified. Hide your desktop icons. Bring back your icons. Taskbar. A long horizontal bar at the bottom of the desktop is called the taskbar. The taskbar has a Start button, Middle section, System tray, and Show Desktop button. Middle section. It shows which programs and files you have opened and allows you to quickly switch between them. System tray. It displays the current date and time. Show Desktop button. This button minimizes all the open programs and displays the desktop. Click on this button to see your desktop. Practical in Computer Lab. Click the icons on the middle section and see what happens. Click the clock on the system tray. What do you see? Now click on Show Desktop.
Start button. Start button is used to do many activities. When you left click on the Start button, a menu appears on the screen. This is called the Start menu.
Start menu contains many options. Some of them are given as follows. All programs. It contains shortcuts to open programs within the list. Click the Start button and then click All programs. A list appears with many options. You can click the program you want to open. You can go back to Start menu by clicking the Back option. Shutdown. You close Windows by using this option. This option in Start menu closes all the open programs and completely turns off your computer. To shut down your computer, just click the Start button and then click the Shutdown option. Search programs and files. This option is used to search or find things in the computer. To find a saved file, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click the Start button. Step 2. Type the name of the file you want to search in the search box. A list of all the programs, files, pictures, etc. with similar names appear. Step 3. Click the required file to open it. Help and support. You find different help topics related to Windows in this option. Changing the position of taskbar. You can change the position of the taskbar and place it at any one of the 4 sides of the screen. To change the position of the taskbar, follow the given steps. Step 1. Right-click on the taskbar. If you see the small tick mark before Lock the Taskbar option, you cannot change the position of the taskbar. So, uncheck the option by clicking on it. Step 2. Now, drag the taskbar to any side of the screen to change its position. Do you know? Sticky notes is used to create short text notes. It is just like writing a note on a paper as a reminder for ourselves. To use sticky notes, click Start button, All Programs, Accessories, Sticky Notes. Gadgets. Gadgets are mini programs that provide information at a glance and also provide access to frequently used tools. For example, picture puzzle, slideshow, feed headlines, clock, and calendar are all gadgets. Windows 7 desktop displays gadgets on the right side of the screen. You can add or remove the gadgets on your desktop according to your choice. Practical in Computer Lab. Step 1. Right-click on the desktop. Step 2. Select Gadgets from the pop-up menu. Step 3. Double-click the gadgets, clock, and calendar. Shortcut buttons in a window. Have you noticed some buttons on the upper right corner of an open window? The buttons are as shown. Minimize button. If you click this button, the window shrinks to the taskbar. Maximize button. It is used to increase the size of the window to its maximum. Restore down button. When you maximize a window, the maximize button looks like this. It resizes the window back to its original size. Close button. You close a window by clicking this button. Mouse pointer shapes. The shapes of mouse pointer changes with different actions you do on a computer. Let us learn about some of them. Pointer shape. Name. Usage. Normal select. Used to point, select or drag an item on the screen. Move. Used to move a window in any direction. Text select. Used for text to indicate a location between characters. Vertical resize. Used to resize a window vertically. Horizontal resize. Used to resize a window horizontally. Windows 7 accessories. You have already used 3 of the Windows accessories: Paint, Notepad, and WordPad. Let us now learn to use Windows 7 Calculator. Calculator. You see a calculator at your home. It is used to do calculations. You solve sums on it. Windows 7 also has a calculator to solve simple problems. To solve sums using Windows 7 Calculator, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click Start button. Step 2. Click All Programs. Step 3. Click on Accessories. Step 4. From the submenu, click on Calculator. The Windows 7 Calculator is displayed. You see buttons for digits 0 to 9 and add, subtract, multiply, divide, and equal to do calculations. For example, to solve 5 plus 2, click 5, then click plus, and then click 2. Click equal to get the result. Practical in computer. Touchscreen tablet, touchscreen smartphone, touchscreen monitor. You know that an operating system like Linux, Windows, and Mac OS controls the overall activities of a computer. The table below lists the operating systems that are used for touchscreen computers like tablets and smartphones. Operating system for tablets and smartphones. Name: Android, Windows Phone, iOS. Logo: developed by Google, Microsoft Corporation, Apple Inc. Name and release date of the first version, Android 1.0 in September 2008. Windows Phone 7 in November 2010. iPhone OS 1.x in June 2007. Name and release date of the latest version, Android 8.0 Oreo in August 2017. Windows Phone 10 in January 2015. iOS 11 in June 2017. ICT update. The Google has a trend of naming Android versions after any desert or suite in an alphabetical order. IT personalities. Android operating system was founded by Andrew E. Rubin in October 2003. Android has a storehouse of applications. It has number of educational apps which you can use for learning with fun. Steve Jobs was the co-founder and chairman of Apple Incorporation. He is credited for the development of iPhone, which was the first smartphone to provide graphical interface.